London has some amazing Christmas markets on offer, and in today's video I'm going to be showcasing 3 of them which can all be accessed on foot. Starting the journey at London Southank, I'll then be heading over Hungerford Bridge, into Trafalgar Square and then on to Leicester Square. As an extra feature, there'll be another 2 of London's best Christmas trees on display. This part of the Christmas market is located near the carousel on the riverbank and is easily missed, so if you do come down here, make sure you keep your eyes peeled for it. You've probably noticed that it's not very busy tonight, but that's probably because it's a Monday and it's usually much busier at the weekends. This area specialises in food and drink stalls and there isn't really much else going on, to be fair, although you do get a decent range of options. The rest of the South Bank Christmas market can be found on the riverside, so make sure you take in all the views. This skateboarding park is really cool, and it doesn't really matter when in the year you come. You can often find skateboarders performing really neat tricks. Okay, that's one down, 2 to go. Time to head over the Hungerford Bridge towards Trafalgar Square's market. When crossing this bridge, make sure you take the time to enjoy the view because it's absolutely brilliant. Once you reach Embankment, head down Villiers Street, and you'll notice a bar coming up on the right called Gordon's Wine Bar. If you get the chance to have a glass of wine here, do take up the opportunity because it's really good. As we have to cross over the Strand in order to get to Trafalgar Square, we may as well take the time to enjoy some of the Christmas decorations here. This Christmas tree is located outside Charing Cross Station. The Christmas market stalls look lovely alongside the National Portrait Gallery. In the distance you'll see the Trafalgar Square Christmas tree. We'll have a closer look at that in a second. This choir made the environment feel even more Christmassy, which was lovely. From the upper ledges you get some great views and some great opportunities for photographs. Leicester Square Christmas Market definitely felt like the most busy of the three. It also had the best atmosphere, so if you like the hustle and bustle of Christmas markets, this one should definitely tickle your fancy. I do hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I'll be producing new material on a regular basis. Merry Christmas to you and yours, and hopefully I'll see you on the next video. All the best, see you soon.